let's get into the video. As you can see, I am using the Jamaican black, if it will come out, that is. Yeah, it's some in there. Yeah. And I don't know if you had a chance to look at my hair. Well, you probably see bits of it now where I am badly in need of a trim. But yeah, we're going to take care of that because soon enough I will be doing a silk press video and I will be trimming my ends. So now in this video, I wanted to do some Bantu knots. I've actually done these maybe about a couple of years ago when my hair was a bit longer. So I'm tackling. I'm tackling this feet on short hair because I did a big chop. I want to say 3, maybe 4 months ago now. And I wanted to see if I can still achieve this on short natural hair. Now the mousse that I'm using, I got it from Target, but I think it's sold anywhere. And this mousse is actually about $15. Yeah, I'll be sure and link the products that I use in my description. Now, so the reason why I use the Jamaican black is castor oil before I use any other styling products is because I have 4B, and in some sections of my hair it's 4C. And so when I'm finished with, like, when the completed look is done, it tends to look very dry to me. So I go on with the oil first and it really seals that for me. And so I don't have to really worry about my hair looking dry because of the texture of my hair. So in this one, you just kind of see me take my time. I sped the video up a little bit so it wouldn't be too long, but you really see me taking my time and allowing the Bantu knots to twist around. And as I turn them around, I'm twisting again at the same time. Now, it was a little bit harder on the sides, and you're going to see me struggle with this a little bit. And I wanted this to be really transparent to let people know that those that have short hair, or even if you have medium or long hair, and if you don't get it right the first time, just keep trying. Like, don't give up. Don't say, I can't do this. You got to keep trying. Like you heard me say a moment ago, I've done this on my hair when it was longer, though, a couple years ago. And I used to do the Bantu knots quite often. And so I just kind of got away with it with braids and stuff like that. So I think that the technique is still the same, even if it's on short hair. And it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect, but you will see me pin that down. But okay, I think this is where I wasn't pleased with it, so I kept trying it again. But you will see me pin it down with the hairpins, and then I wanted to sleep in it. So I slept in this overnight. I want to say I completed these around maybe 7 that night, 7 o'clock. Yeah, I want to say about 7 o'clock that night. Slept in them and took them out around 10 o'clock the next morning. And so I want to say however many hours that is. That's how long it took for them. Dang, look like I didn't realize I tried this many times. But anyway, so I wanted to, of course, I think I was talking about how long it took me to take them down. So I took them down that morning around 10 o'clock or so. And I allowed them to dry. And you'll see, of course, the takedown process. Now in the back, you'll see me parting that. And I'll turn around, of course, and let you see how that works. And you know what? I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys look at the rest of the video in peace.